Hello children, welcome back to the social class. Today we will start the semester 2, that is the first chapter of semester 2, that is maps, page number 23. Okay, first before moving on to the chapter, let us know the main directions. To find out a place on a map, we use directions. The four main directions are east, west, north, and south. These are the four main directions which show us the particular places where they are located. These are the directions, and there are sub directions which are known as cardinal directions. They are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. These four sub directions are called as cardinal directions. To place or to point any place on a map, we use these directions. In our last classes, we have studied about the globe, right? So, what do you understand by the term globe? Globe is the model of Earth. It represents us about how the Earth is and how much percent of water is covered and how much percent of land is present on Earth. Can you all see? This blue part is all water and these all are the land. We can place the seven continents on this globe. By using globe only, we get to know that our earth is a spherical model. Here on a globe, we can get to know which country is bigger and which country is smaller, and we can do the comparison of the countries' sizes also. But when we want a pure detail of any place, such as the vegetation or environment, we do not get to know it on a globe. So, to make our task easier, the maps were got. After maps has come into existence, it has become easy to represent each and everything on a map. Here today I want to give you all an assignment question, that is to find the differences between a globe and a map. You should write four differences. Okay. Do you know why we stopped using a globe? Because this globe is huge and it is bulky. Can we pack this in a suitcase and go when we want to go for some place and see the direction? No, right? So, to store and carry, it is difficult. It does not have particular vegetation or particular places details, that is environment and etc. So it is difficult, although we can compress this and take it, but it is not advised to take globe because it does not have small details. Okay, whereas in maps, see here, this is India on a globe. Can you all see where Hospet is? We can see our Karnataka, Hubli, Ballari, but we cannot see Hospet. But when it is on a map, I can show you where your home is also, right? So, maps have become an easy means of storage. As on a globe, the longitudes, latitudes, and the equator is being displayed. The same way, we also can find out all the longitudes and latitudes on the maps also. Longitudes are the lines which are like this, and latitudes are like this. Maps have become popular because they are easy to handle, easy to store, and can have large amount of details and are very accurate. Okay, today there is another assignment for you. I showed you earlier about the directions and the sub directions, that is cardinal directions, right? In your notes, write today's date and first write the main directions and the cardinal directions, and then write the differences between the globe and the map. Okay, then later there is another assignment question to mark the route from your home to our school using the cardinal directions. You should not say go straight, go left, go right, but rather than you should say heading towards north, heading towards southwest, northwest, or south. Like that, you have to use the directions and tell me. You have to make a map, that is, draw a map from your home to our school. Okay, thank you.